Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi.
Chumuireria nari tukulia 25 limutinyo gatatu mwaka wa 2025 ono mugose 2026 echimatano yende yabene egetone egie Chinsa Ikomi igoro ayarbosio ngati yari nkwalganetia senchera ere yowenga morogoba obonega kuregeteseni kyao kyabene egie Ensoko TV nchengoro kwa Daniel Mwaga. Amayia egatone gye Chinsa Ikomi asenchera ayo wenge getokonya cha korwa se county ya Kisii mwanchumo ireria aseli tukolero nigo hegati ya abaria bare abatami be Kisegi cyo mwaka 2050 ne 07 abo bare chiribu 15 chibirwe mwe ya mu 90 na babere korwa wangu rwaguse nigo obono obakorana James Oro uyoro mokoneta w'abatami be Kisegi borosagya rwagusi nigo bakorere amasaba manene imeye kanisa yemo imeya bunchari eriko basaba barayi banyore nakobagera banyore chibesa chiabo kokwana hekere barenge kokora masabayo ni goboigo bamusabiro murai wense Dr. William Ruto kobenyora helio banyore chibesa chiabo obuna abatami bande korochi county chinde.
Achilie mkono wako juu yetu Bwana, ukatuelekeze ukatuongoze, ufute kila nia zote zilizo kinyume hapa na pale katika jina lako Bwana wetu.
Tigante benga lero ndwakora masabona IDPs ba gusi yaito na ekirenge kenengelinga ikobate tukonyora chibes chiabo yiraki yabo igosaba kanengolinga abarebeto ba gusi na mana bachumba baito ikabana yaito na mana kelmo raisi agoja gusi yaito yori sigete mono mbuya momotebi abanyene yake yabasengenjo chisamajene njanyolete na bani banyete basinge sana lakini totatenga kimena goja gusi mo akshenga mo motebi na into tatume uchumbe mo ikire president sa gotokanga gusi inkolerere nga IDP simba cyanegete kogocha gusi njo kwani gore yake yabo
litukolia rero ngwaka buyase osangire kana twakorire kogosasi mogo chenu na kubori nyasaye aiwe birero bya bantu baye buna twamuboririe nande twasabira serikali yeito yomusike umuchoro ito William Samuel Ruto munagocha gusi aimukie getambo kerogisaine asogo konya na gwakana abatami be Kisegi ba 207 28 elinda magimabo aira naboronge na aro bamenye buya muna bande
jina la Yesu Kristo na Mungu. Bwana unapajilia fedha mfalme, Bwana wajilie hekima na maarifa kutoka juu mbinguni. Bwana ni kila jambo liende kulingana na mapenzi yako na hekima yako. Bwana wasikie watumishi wako.
Na togo tikara sekonti ya Kisii mwanchumo ni gobono committee ye bunge nene ya manganaria a justice and legal affairs nigo yakorero muroberio uwokorwa hamegerio ya wesia 7 igore bill yo mwaka 2025 ejuwe rengete koringoria henchera umuroberio yo gokorwa ebirego syo kuri birengerero yagokorwa as serikali usisakte serikali au bigokorwa
to gather the views
nigo igatu se bunge nene mubunge bwense moje bunge ya rieda umusikia Tiendo Moro bago konyana amo no mubunge onde chinga kiechigo batebire buna ebiri eyo ingerengete egochia agoikirania amanganande gukwana korwa sensemo ya gusi omunyakerogo ogwe committee eyo oyore Otiendo Moro nigaene kiringa egoikabono amangana aria achikuringoribwa harime eye committee ye gose ime ya mangana buna ebirengerero bikoba bigokorwa
to gather the views of the people on the public participation bill that is co-sponsored by Honorable Chepkonga and myself. The purpose of that bill is to act as a guideline on the conduct of public participation. It is also to impose an obligation for public participation on any public office or entity, either that intends to pass some law or take some action that might affect the public, and to put an obligation on proper consideration of those views that are gathered. So we are doing public participation on the public participation bill. It's our hope that once we have collated all these views, we will publish them in a report which will be available both in print and electronic media. We will then sit down as the Justice and Legal Affairs Committee to consider those views and to consider how and in what manner we can improve the bill. Once that is done, we hope we can now present it on the floor of Parliament and that Parliament can quickly pass that legislation, because we've had a gap since the Constitution was passed in the year 2010 and the Constitution makes it mandatory to do public participation. We have not had a law that guides public participation. And so after 16 years, we think we must pass this quickly and it will be helpful. We are also hoping that once we pass that national legislation, the respective counties will also develop their own public participation laws, so that Kisii will have its public participation law that guides how public participation is supposed to be done in the entire county of Kisii, whenever either the county assembly or the county government intends to pass some law or to take some action. And that is the entire purpose for today. La kwanza, watu wanataka kuhakikisha kwamba wakitoa maoni, hayo maoni itatimizwa na isiwe tu ni maoni ya kutolewa alafu inawekwa mahali alafu hiyo sheria ama kitu kama hiyo inaendelea.
Na tugusika mutwe mwanchu mugiriria bono nigo muraibwense Dr. William Ruto nigo aine kiribuna hense ya Kenya nigagendrete kuigika enibo yae ase sector aimeyense erio konekia amagenderero ukwana hase bikaro bya Kenya International Investment Forum ibyo bya rubekranwa no muraibwense ya Mozambique Daniel Francisco Ruto nigane kiribuna ibirango bya 30 igoro yemya bya budget yense ya Kenya nigo bikobekwa asense media ayekisemi.
It's not by default that the Kenyan people is central to the development of our country and to the investment climate that we have as our country. It's because we have consistently invested as a nation in our human capital. 30% of our budget every year goes to education, training at all levels. We've just increased in the last 3 years our education budget by $1.5 billion in the last 3 years. We've hired 100,000 teachers more into our classrooms, expanded learning spaces by 23,000 classrooms, and developed a new funding model to make sure that our colleges and universities have adequate resources to sharpen our human capital. And from a policy point, I want to assure you that the jewel of our investment, the Kenyan human capital, will continue to receive the Kenya government's attention and resources for us to make sure that we don't lose that competitive edge that comes with investing in our human capital.
Na ense ya Kenya nigo yerwete kugeka bunyamasibuaye ase obunchureria na korwa mabaga ayemeremo yene kwana yomane wa waziri mense ya Kenya Musalia Mudavadi ujonere ikirana ebikarebyo obya Kenya Investment Forum. Mudavadi nigawelia bonchureria korwa Chinsa chesiko kugeka obunyamasibuabo imeyense ya Kenya ose kugeka enibo yabo imeyense ya Kenya.
Our missions across the globe continue to showcase Kenya's attractiveness as the preferred investment destination. We invite investors and business community to engage our missions abroad to access timely and comprehensive investment information. And Your Excellency, we are riding on this conference. We have a follow-up event of you addressing and interacting with our ambassadors across the world. And we are riding on this event, so they are also in here, Kenyan ambassadors who have joined from their stations Wherever you are, you can just wave. Thank you. This is a very strong showing. Your Excellency, we are gathered at a particularly profound moment in global affairs when the Middle East crisis continues to adversely impact global and regional economic outlook as logistics disruptions and expected global oil shortages become a reality. This calls for proactive strategies such as today's conference, as well as accelerated intra-Africa partnership, including African Continental Free Trade Area, so as to ease stress from external and domestic shocks.
Mwanchumugiriria na bono nigo kuboribwa kwarure gucia saba ibori kubasokia bana babo bari babwate umuchanda oborwaire bwo barema obwemi osebi mu byomubere cerebral palsy erio baikiranie gosebakine buna bana bande okono kuboribwa kwarure na Benson Isaboke ujero muteneni weri chirikali ya site of relief yakero harenge n'ababwatani ibande kurwa bosemya nabayigo nigo bawure bitamba byo chenwa chipamba sigucia ase abayibore bwata abantu amona abayigo na kurwa bwatani bonde okuseba ikirana ababwatani abo okwana kurwa aso mu Nairobi ababwatani abo nigo barure kuboria guci ase serikali kwene kianga chingaki ichekeranire cyo muroberio oinwa jamii kara wakorekana abantu abo nigo banyarko bakwinyurwa na barobwe elio banyarko abo nabantu bande.
Today here we are celebrating Cerebral Palsy Awareness Month, where we are at the climax of impacting the community and creating awareness on a cerebral palsy condition. Indeed, as a country, we are seeing miles and progress, and also the enactment of our Disability Act 2025 that has so much progressive. And now what we want to call upon is the implementation of Disability Act 2025 that the President enacted last year. We have a number of challenges to fast track the process. The inclusion of caregiver is one of the key areas that we want to be addressed, so that children who are suffering, they can be able to access the necessary services or opportunities the government has given, so that parents can also ease the challenges that they're facing.
I am a cerebral palsy warrior. I am here to say that true disability is not a curse. It is how God created us differently with different abilities. I could encourage my colleagues living with cerebral palsy that we don't need to love ourselves, to encourage ourselves, and to do our best to make our life better.
A parent to a 15-year-old boy with severe cerebral palsy, meaning my son can't sit, my son can't hold his neck, my son can't talk, my son can't walk, he's just there. Mara mingi muse mtu wangu analala tu, tunamwanika na tunamuanua. In case you want him to bask, you just carry and go, unaenda unalalisha kwa jua, then jioni unakuja unaanua. In case of rain, ikipata kama labda niko mbali kidogo na nilikuwa nimemwanika, bahati mbaya. My journey has been a tough one. Along the way, we lost the dad due to depression for the same. And it has not been easy. It has been tough with all the medication, therapy.
Natogoteka na yomu anchungu getega toske motu aseba no mubere ho musuba tyo yomo oyokonye okuranirwa n'abasacha babere urusiwe korwa ase gosukuruswa korwa senkendu nigo bono ikina kiana chirunga urusiwe korwa senkendu na gochikwenwa no musacha omutangani nere bunakonye akuranirwa mubere honya gosira nigo obete koba gose nigo orete kwa gokuruswa korwa senkendu ya makadara maega hayo gosiro gimabwa yitariki isano onaibere chomo cyenyoiga aseba bono ifamilia ya yaganire bali ababwatenetibwe no konyo ibo mubere oywe kumukirwa higetambo kirege tindi kirichiko.
Alinipigia simu akasema baba basi ule rafiki ya mamangu anataka kuchukua ule mwili, tayari alikuwa ameshauiba kutoka Coast General mpaka akapeleka Kilifi mochari. Naona sasa nikaje kwa haraka ili nikaweze kunusuru apate ile haki yake ya kumzika mama yake.
Na ameuiba huu mwili saa 8 mchana akaenda nao Kilifi saa 2 usiku. Hiyo time yote alikuwa yuko wapi na huu mwili? Na sasa nimepata huu mwili ukiwa unatoka madamu ya pua. Imeniumiza sana, lakini nashukuru nimempata mamangu na nina furaha nimempata mamangu. Ikiwa atajitokeza kuteta na sisi ama kupigana na sisi, tukutane tu kotini, nataka kumwambia tu hivyo.
Tuliona mwili ukitolewa saa 8, unasikia ulikuja mochari Kilifi saa 2. Huu mwili ulipelekwa wapi na ule baba Jefa? Usema kweli ile baba anatupigania tangu jana, anatupigania kwamba anataka documents za nyumba ya dada yangu azichukue kwa sababu anataka amdhulumu huyu mtoto wale wa Beja.
We are petitioning the relevant authorities wa investigate ambayo yani we are going to liaise with the DCI ili the DCI wa come out wa investigate this matter to the letter ili the culprit to be brought to book.
Na gusika mutu mwanchumugireria bono nigawa menyi bense moja Sweet Waters imeye county ya Laikipia nigo obarokirio bwabo kubwatikana no gusaganwa gwakera chinga kine chinchobu ekyo chigo sagana endagera yabo asemegondo korengana na amenyi abo nigo chinchobu ekyo chigo sagana emigondo yabo Chinsa ibere cyakera emambya na gusaria endagera yabo asebono obayenekiri inga nigo egokorwe ekyo kyagendrere asigeka kemiaka ebere bono.
Kula shamba, zimekula miwa, zimeharibu vikingi, na sio mara ya kwanza. Ndovu zinatusumbua kila wakati. Hatuwezi kupanda kitu tuone ati tunaivuna kwa furaha. Hatuwezi kupanda vitu tupeleke soko, ni ndovu inakula. Kwa hivyo sisi tualia njaa kwa sababu ya ndovu. Twaomba kwa sababu ya ndovu. Kwa hivyo tuwaomba kama serikali yetu inaweza kutujua na kutuhurumia, wajue mali watapeleka ndovu. Tumeshachoka.
Kwa majina mimi naitwa Amayia wa Mahodho. Na mimi ni mkaaji wa hapa Sweet Waters, na shida yetu ile kubwa sana ni hizi ndovu zimekuwa zinakuja hapa on daily basis. Kila siku. Sisi ni watu tunajifanyia kazi ya mashamba na tunafuna, lakini for the last 2 years imekuwa shida na shida tupu. Hizi ndovu hatujui zimetoka wapi. Shauri the whole of Sweet Waters ni kama zimefamia. Tungeomba serikali yetu kuu ishughulikie hii maneno ya ndovu.
Hizi mashamba zote za huku imeathiriwa. Na ile ya kuhuzunisha, saa hizi ni karibu na saa 1. Tuko sure saa 2 tunajua pale ndovu itakuja na itaanza kutuangaisha watu wetu. Kuna pare inangua fence, inaingia kwa mashamba, tutakuwa maskini. Hii ndovu bado asubuhi wakati watoto wanaenda shule bado wanapatana na hizi ndovu.
Ningependa pia kutaja ya kwamba eneo hii tumedeploy askari ambao wanafanya kazi usiku na mchana, na venye mheshimiwa Deputy Governor amezungumza ya kwamba watoto wamekuwa wakiathirika. Ningependa kutaja ya kwamba sisi tunasaidiana na wananchi, na mahali popote ambao ndovu inaweza kuwa inahatarisha maisha ya mwananchi yeyote, tuko radhi kuhakikisha hiyo ndovu imechukuliwa hatua kabambe.
Wanchumurire chabuto chideka Ikomi na isano na isato higori Chinsa Ikomi chiabona maragwa nawe no gogwa bolia nganchere mbutera mangana mayese nchira yo wenge kuroga bukwende Thomas Gospike kere mutu muruberi omose muruberi ngiri marekonera edinyanga mwana boka nko gocherore asenchire ya bene mongo ya mareko Chinsa Ikomi chamaragwa ekaranko manyibwanga hekalabu kire kiagucha Stars mwanchumurire ke cost de seligene ya NSL baberba igoba berko babo ikoro chigori bere asigani sagero ne club kere ya 3 KFC korwa sense meria embu yakosori yakorekana teka chinke chiere asegesero kiagusi stadium ime eyomo chiogusi na sense moyende uyo kabiro mokocha we club ya Shabana FC omwarimu Peter Okidi nere bono obwekirwo oirwe kegwa kyo omoro kyomuya bomotienyi eseligi ya Sport Pesa omotienyi okabere asebona arachi kobaga kwimuke mubuko ya chisiringi chiribu 15 na ibere 75000 na nigobona abwere ekegwe kyomega yokora timu ya Shabana FC somotinyo kabere kobwa chigosori chonsinye gotasiria na gostanyonsi bwa agori ende yonse maega yoko buto kwaye omutienye oyo iga o gatato wikarabwe ngokora mangana maya senchera ayogwenge omorgo bwe Chinsa Ikomi kolende sayemo na mone kisto chabo tuko to masa koma chakuma na Clinton ondigi ange asobwamo onere Frida Keribo akaleta mangana ayo senchera yobwe kranu nabaiko igo bachiko sanga naye asomorobiro welingana aliyeke moya mugo chiko somania na kumanya ne ingana aliyeke moya litkolero ndire liga koro kwa Daniel Omwaga morogoba omoto yareru.